This is Cooter's Pond. Beautiful. The leaves are just turning orange and yellow and red. Really pretty. Right over there, we can see Montgomery. Well, what is that? Oh, let me walk over there. Right over there. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Wow. I love this view. So beautiful. This is what Alabama has to offer. Amazing. God has created all of this. Awesome.